Hi, I'm James Henke. Today we're going to talk about how to get your 2 iPads up and running using the system. So, let's get started. Go to the App Store to download the Assess app. You must do this on both iPads. Once the app has been downloaded, head into the Settings app. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are both enabled. Within Display and Brightness, maximize the brightness and set the auto lock to 15 minutes on both iPads. Within the Assess app, set one iPad to Practitioner and the other to Client within the application mode. Now your iPads are configured and ready for testing using Q Interactive. Let's get started by opening your welcome email. Click on the link to access qiactive.com. Set your password. Accept terms and conditions. Create a practice assessment session. Make the practice client profile and save. Then, select the test you want to practice. Enter date and time for administration. Tap Send to iPad and your practice session is ready to go. Log into the Assess app on both iPads using the same login credentials. Enter username and password. Allow 10 to 20 minutes for battery content to download. The iPads will connect when starting the assessment, and both iPads have been configured correctly. Once you're comfortable using practice assessments, you're ready to go live. Be sure to check out the Support tab on Central for detailed guides and videos. Thank you.